I have a technique to share that is incredibly simple and easy to use, yet it holds great power for manifesting your desires. Allow me to teach you one of the most effective and potent techniques available, which will help you quickly manifest anything you want. This technique is straightforward and doesn't require much time to apply. In this video, I will provide a detailed explanation of how to use this technique, ensuring that you have a clear understanding and can use it correctly. It is essential to watch the entire video to grasp and utilize the technique accurately. Missing any information could hinder your ability to manifest, so it's better to avoid regrets later by watching the video in its entirety. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I regularly upload high-quality videos that assist in manifesting the reality you've always desired. Now, let's begin. Neville Goddard teaches manifesting techniques that emphasize the utilization of one's emotions to attract desired outcomes into their lives. This is because your emotions are what give rise to physical reality. The external world merely reflects your thoughts and feelings. Therefore, if you wish to change your external reality, focus on changing your emotions first. But how can we shift our emotions? Isn't that a wonderful question? This technique, known as Isn't It Wonderful, is one of Neville Goddard's most powerful and effective manifesting techniques. It revolves around generating the feeling of wish fulfillment. Once you successfully cultivate the emotions associated with your desire, the manifestation will unfold effortlessly and swiftly. You'll witness your desires coming closer to you through synchronicities, signs, and angel numbers. Many individuals struggle with manifestation because they fail to evoke the appropriate feelings before their desires materialize in their physical reality. In such cases, the Isn't It Wonderful technique can be immensely helpful. It can be used to manifest something specific or to improve various aspects of your life simultaneously. When uncertainty clouds your desires, this technique becomes your go-to method. It encompasses everything necessary to positively transform your life. However, there's a catch. You might lack clarity about your desires, or you might have numerous things you want to manifest concurrently. Nevertheless, one thing you can be certain about is your emotions. Ask yourself what kind of emotions you would experience when you obtain everything you've ever desired. How would it make you feel? This is the crux of the Isn't It Wonderful technique. You must know how it feels before it manifests into reality. Here's a helpful tip for discovering the appropriate feelings. If you're struggling to pinpoint the exact emotions, recall a past memory where you received good news or something you wanted. Reflect on the emotions you felt during that time. Did you experience happiness, fulfillment, or gratitude? Delve into those positive feelings from the past and employ them in conjunction with the Isn't It Wonderful technique. Now, why should you use this technique for manifestation? The Isn't It Wonderful technique is simply incredible. It requires minimal effort and works like a charm every time. Here are a few reasons why you should embrace this wonderful technique by Neville Goddard. 1. Simple and easy to understand and practice, even for beginners in manifesting. 2. An excellent tool for manifesting multiple desires simultaneously. 3. Works effectively even if you're uncertain about what you want to manifest, as it covers all aspects for you. 4. Leverages the power of your emotions, acting as a magical elixir that immerses you in the feeling of achievement for your desires. 5. Makes clever use of the state akin to sleep, a highly potent manifestation concept by Neville Goddard. If you're uncertain about your specific manifestation, let me teach you how to use this powerful technique. Every night before going to sleep, ensure you are completely relaxed. Engage in a quick meditation or any mindfulness practice that suits you. Attaining a state of relaxation is vital for the technique to work, as it slows down your conscious mind and provides direct access to your subconscious. With this direct access, programming your subconscious for manifestation becomes much easier. Once your mind is relatively relaxed, evoke the feeling you would have if all your desires had already manifested. If you're struggling to generate the feeling, refer back to the trick I explained earlier in this blog post. Now hold on to that positive feeling and repeatedly chant the phrase, "Isn't it wonderful?" in your mind. The combination of positive emotions and the phrase will convince your brain that you have already achieved your desires, creating a state of wish fulfilled. Remain in this state as you drift off to sleep, continuing to chant "Isn't it wonderful?" with positive feelings. Repeat this process every night for a minimum of 4 weeks to experience optimal results. This technique helps reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your desired outcome. Consequently, you'll begin attracting people, resources, and opportunities needed to manifest your desires in physical reality. For example, suppose you want to manifest a new job. Write down the specific details of the job, such as the position, salary, and company culture. Each night, in a peaceful and relaxed state, visualize yourself already working in that desired job. Feel the positive emotions associated with having that job and repeatedly chant the phrase, "Isn't it wonderful?" By consistently practicing this technique over time, you'll attract opportunities and resources that align with your desired outcome, ultimately leading to the manifestation of your dream job. If you found this content valuable and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to never miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.